Hello mga ka-viewers, kumusta po kayo? Tayo po ngayon ay pupunta sa school ni Brenmar. Gawa ng kabibigay lang po ng kanyang report card. Ay dito po ay gayon. Pag naibigay ang report card, ay kasunod ang parent-teacher interview. Follow me. Glow in the dark pala yung jacket niya. Ang appointment ka pala natin ay 6:40 PM. Yun naman ay magtatagal lang ng 10 minutes. Excited din naman si Brenmar na pumunta sa school para sa parent-teacher interview. Gawa nang nung nasa bahay pa ay panay na panay ang tanong kung time na raw para pumunta sa school. Kaya lamang ay natagalan kami bago umalis at nagkasumpong. Abay, ang pupunta lang daw sa school ay ako, siya at saka ang kanyang tita. Ayaw isama ang ama. Ay kaya lamang napapayag ay sabi ng ama, bago umuwi ay dadaan ng grocery para bumili ng Smarties. Maganda naman po ang kanyang report card. Teka, at babasahin ko po muna ang nilalaman dito sa Religious and Family Life Education. Okay. Through thoughtful prayers, stories, and songs, Brenmar demonstrates a positive sense of belonging. He understands that he is welcomed by the people around him and that he is loved. Brenmar has learned that giving thanks and showing peace to others are important virtues that display his Catholic values. He knows that God has provided many things in life that we should be grateful for, including family, friends, and our school community. Wow! At dito naman po sa key learning, growth and learning, next step in learning, may nakaagaw pansin po dito sa akin. Tingnan po natin. Simulan po natin sa simula. Okay, Brenmar is a gentle and happy member of our classroom community. He knows his daily routines and follow class rules. He enjoys playing with small and large groups and gets along with most classmates. Brenmar uses his social skills during playtime by taking turns and sharing toys with classmates. He has a very good sense of humor and likes to make his teacher and classmates laugh. Wow! Yun! Yun po yung nakaagaw ng pansin sa akin. May good sense of humor daw. Napapatawa daw ang mga teacher at classmates. Gayun nga din po siya sa bahay. Okay, he is able to concentrate on his work and listens during circle time lessons. Brenmar is able to wait patiently and raises his hand to answer questions. Wow! He loves to participate in all classroom activities and is eager to try new things. Brenmar knows how to express his likes and dislikes and can communicate his thoughts and feelings with others. Brenmar is good at counting numbers and joins in all maths games and lessons. He loves to complete puzzles and is proud of his accomplishments. Brenmar demonstrates an interest in reading and sits quietly on the carpet during reading time. He is able to print his name neatly and is learning how to spell simple words. As a next step, Brenmar is encouraged to continue working on his writing skills and to keep his spirit and love for learning. Wow! Ayun, nakakatuwa naman. Ang ganda ng report card ni Brenmar. At saka may good sense of humor nga daw. Kakatuwa naman. Ang hilig nga po niyan mag-joke. At ito nga po pala, binigyan siya ng notebook ng teacher niya para sa pagpapractice niya ng pagsusulat. At yan, naglalakad na po tayo. Dadaan po muna tayo sa groceries dahil dun sa Smarties na pangako kay Brenmar. Bibili na nga rin po pala tayo ng saging. Ayan, pinatimbang ni Brenmar ang saging. Ganyan nga pag kami namimili. Hindi naman ako nagtitimbang. Si Brenmar lang gusto niya lagi gamitin ang timbangan. At tingnan kung gaano kabigat. Ay nakakaabala din naman. Ay, oh. At sinisipat na naman ang timbangan. Tinitingnan kung gaano kabigat ang saging. Bibili na nga rin po pala tayo ng cake. Kaya tinatanong ni Brenmar, sino daw may birthday? Ikako'y wala. Anniversary kako ng inay at tatay. 47 years in love. Wow! Abay, tinatanong ako. Siya daw, kailan daw ang anniversary niya? Ang nakakatawa pa po dito, ay pili kami ng pili na mababa lang ang sugar. Ay ito daw na lang malaki dahil wala daw nakasulat na presyo sa baba. Libre daw yan. Ay iya, hinaulutan pa magpabili ng baby food. Ay minsan naman ay ayaw at pang baby lang daw yun. Siya daw ay big boy na. Ay anyari kaya ngayon?
Salamat po! I'm doing good at school. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!